OnePlus 6 comes with octa-core Snapdragon 845 processor. The phone will come with 64 or 128 GB of internal storage and 6 or 8 GB of RAM. 6/8 of a gigabyte of RAM will help phone run smoothly even the most memory-intensive applications without showing any signs of lag. The internal storage is expected to be non-expandable. The display's 5.5-inch screen with an QHD AMOLED display at 515 ppi. The screen is expected to be protected by a durable scratch-resistant glass. OnePlus 6 is speculated to boast a dual front camera of 16 plus 16 megapixel and dual rear camera of 21 plus 20 megapixel. It will support face detection and high dynamic range HDR imaging as well. OnePlus has 3500 mAh battery with OnePlus Dash charging. Snapdragon 845 is the latest processor in 2018. The OnePlus 6 will launch at some point between 1 April and 30th of June. We know that for sure, because the company CEO has revealed that a Q2 release date is on the cards. Given past form, and the proximity of the OnePlus 5T, we are expecting it to be at the June end of that window, but watch this space. The last thing about the price. That being said, we can't imagine the price soaring far above the OnePlus 5 and 5T's £450 price tag, although nor can we imagine it being much lower. Taking a punt, we'd proffer an estimate of around £500, £550.